Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these crispy, amazing turkey spring rolls in the air fryer. So to start off with, I'm going to be seasoning my meat. I always like to season my meat on the side just so that when you bite into it, it still has some flavor. So I'm going to be adding some salt, some black pepper, and some Worcestershire sauce. So to fry my meat, I am using olive oil. You can go ahead and use whatever oil you would like. Some onions. And once my onions start to get nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic. And once I start smelling that beautiful aroma of the garlic and the onion, I'm going to go ahead and add in my meat. And I want to kind of break down my meat with my spatula so everything is cooking evenly. Once I'm not seeing any pink parts of the meat and everything looks the same color, I'm going to go ahead and add in my mushrooms, shredded carrots, some shredded cabbage. So you want to give this a nice mix until everything is mixed up in there. And we're going to go ahead and add some seasoning. So to start off, we're going to add some salt, black pepper, and soya sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, So my filling for my spring roll is done. I'm going to leave this to cool down on the side. Now we're going to make a paste using some cornstarch and water. This paste is going to help the end of our spring roll to stick. Now we're going to move on to rolling our spring roll. So you're going to start off with the corner here and roll it as tight as you can and bring in the two ends. And then give it one more roll. And then take your paste and just dab a little bit in this little corner here. And then seal it. So I'm going to add these to my air fryer now. And I just coated my air fryer with some oil. And then I'm going to brush a little bit oil on top. And there you have it. They're golden brown. So let me break one in half for you guys so you guys can hear that crunch. So that's proof that they're nice and crunchy, just as if they were fried. Just a healthier version. So if you guys like this video, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.